Hi, and so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the header on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using in your PC. Once you did that, go here to the URL section and just type Google Docs. Hit the enter button. That will take you here into this page. From that page, you would like to click at the first link and make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You'll find this right here. Of course, once you click on it, you'll find yourself here at this page. If you didn't find yourself at this page, make sure to go and check for other links unless you are at this page, because if you're already logged in into your account. So of course, from here, if you have already an account, you can just go here at the top right corner and click at sign in option to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to go here and click at sign up for free. Of course, those both options you will be pretty simple and easy if you have a Google account already like linked into your browser, which is gonna prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here at this home page or this main screen. And that, as we said first in the beginning, we would like to remove a header. So if we would like to open a document first. You can open blank documents. You can choose one of their templates and start working on it. Or you can just go and open some of recent documents if you have. Let me just open a recent documents. It's empty anyway, but let me just create here a header. So as you can see, that will be the header. How can we first of all open the header? By just double clicking at the top of the page. Make sure to double click on it, and as you can see, you will be able to have access to the header. So of course, once I am here, and or let's say as an example, I choose a template that already has a header and I want to remove it, simply just double click at the header or at the top of the page, and of course you'll be able to delete whatever on the header, or you can just go here and not right click, just go here and double click again to go to the header. Now you would like to go to options and click at remove header, and as you can see, you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.